Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Chef and More. And today we are getting ready to make an old school classic, grilled cheese. Now guys, this is going to be the true ultimate grilled cheese to take it to the higher level. But it's going to be old school back in the day, because guess what guys? Those grilled cheese were amazing. But they didn't have bacon and beef on it and shrimp and fish on it. It was cheese and bread. We're going to take it to the next level. Just cheese and bread. Let's get busy. And guys, I was over there looking at one of my all-time favorite, Gordon Ramsay, doing ultimate grilled cheese. And I just had to come over here and do my copycat version, so here we go. Okay guys, so for this ultimate grilled cheese, we're going to need a thick bread. We'll be using cheddar cheese, mayo, and butter. That's it guys, those are all the ingredients you'll need. So the first thing we're going to do, set this aside right quick and slice our bread. Now, for this sandwich guys, you're going to need 3 pieces of bread. 2 of them are going to be fairly thick, and the other one's going to be fairly thin. And I'll show you why. Okay guys, so we have our 3 slices here. Let's get our pan out so we can get busy. Okay, so we're going to let our skillet start to warm up a little bit here and build our grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so first thing we want to do, let's get rid of some of these crumbs guys, get rid of some of the crumbs. Okay, so the first thing we want to do in building our sandwich is layer it with the cheese. Now we have the thin slice. This thin slice I'm going to actually grill first before we actually grill the cheese sandwich. So we'll put our first 2 pieces of cheese there, and I'm just going to slide this over so I can bring my skillet down some so you guys will be able to see this. Turn this way. There we go. There we go. Let's get this turned up a little bit, a notch there or 2. And I'm just going to put a little pat of butter in here so that we can grill this one piece on both sides. Okay, I'll let that melt and we'll be right back. Okay, we don't want our butter to brown, so we're just going to put this one piece in there, let it grill on the one side, flip it over, grill it on the other side. So we'll be back when it's time to flip. Okay guys, we don't want this piece too brown, so we want it to be lightly golden brown. I think we should be there. It looks like we are. So I'm going to put this other piece of butter in the skillet here. Let it get melted. And flip it over to the other side. Yes, nice and golden brown. Not too toasty. Guys, so we are nice and golden brown on both sides, as you guys can see. And this is our middle slice. So we have our top or our bottom, whichever one you want to call it, right there. We're going to put this one in the middle. Just like that. Then we're going to layer the cheese on top of here and on top of here. Now we're going to put our top bread right there. Guys, this is going to be amazing and cheesy. And what we'll do now is we'll go in with our mayo and spread it on the top of our bread, guys. This is going to add so much flavor to this sandwich. It is going to be amazing, guys. Just simply amazing. If you have never had mayo grilled cheese before, back in the day, yes, run out of butter, you use mayo. Yes, okay guys, now, and yes, I'm going in my skillet with more butter. More butter, more butter. Yes, awesome, awesome, awesome. And I'm going to turn this down because we want it to toast nice and slow. So it'll be toasted through and through and that cheese will melt. Okay. Now this side goes down first so that we can then, not butter, but put the mayo on our other side. So we just gently lay it down like that. That side is cooking. Turn it down a little bit. We're going to spread our mayo over on the other side, guys. Move that out the way. Put this over so you guys can see. We're just going to spread the top piece here so that when we get ready to turn it over, we will have our mayo on both sides, guys. Now this is your ultimate grilled cheese. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button and subscribe. Turn the bell on, guys, so you don't want to miss any of these fantastic recipes that I'll be showing you guys how to make step by step. And if you ever have any questions, guys, just leave me a comment and ask away. I love commenting and talking to you guys and helping anybody out I can. So if I can help anybody make anything, show you how to make it, just let me know. And we'll be back when it's time to turn this over. Guys, we are almost ready to turn it over on our second side, but I just wanted to take a moment and let you guys know that I am using sharp cheddar cheese. But please, you can use the cheese of your choice. I know a lot of people like to use American cheese. Any cheese you want, Gouda cheese. You can do it with mozzarella if you want. It doesn't matter. Whatever cheese you like, that's the cheese you use. Let's see if we're ready to turn it over. Guys, I think we are ready to turn it over. I'm gonna go in, yes, with a little bit more butter as soon as I lift this up. Okay. I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna go in here, lift it a little bit and stick my spatula under there. There we go. Yes, okay, it's golden brown under there. Let me put this other piece of butter in here. And now this is the tricky part. We have to be gentle when we flip this over so we won't fall apart, guys. So we won't fall apart. Okay, you might get your hands a little messy, but I'd rather be messier than fall my sandwich apart. So just gently turn it over. Watch your fingers on the skillet, and there we go. Awesome. Look at that golden brown sandwich, guys. Isn't that delicious? Oh my God, this is going to be so amazing. Yes. So amazing, so amazing. Okay, guys, we are all done. We are all done. Let's get this out of here. Yes. And I'm going to do something that I typically don't do, but I want you guys to see both sides. See how nice and amazing that is, dripping with cheese. And I'm going to try to flip this without making a big mess here, just so you guys can see the other side. It's just as golden brown. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's get it on our plate. Yes. Okay, guys, look at that. We have our amazing, delicious grilled cheese, guys. Look at that. Look at that amazing cheese, guys. Isn't that delicious? Yes. Okay, guys, we are all done with our grilled cheese. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? Delicious, delicious, delicious. Now that, my guys, is your ultimate, old-fashioned, classic, old school grilled cheese. Taken to a higher level. Yes. It is piping hot, so I am not about to bite into this cheesy, delectable dish. But I will cut me off a piece. All right. I will cut me off a piece. Let me grab a fork. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are back for our taste test. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I know I said that earlier, please do. Hit the bell, guys, so that the next time I upload an amazing dish like this, you'll be the first to be notified. You'll be the first to see it. Yes, and if you ever have any questions, guys, let me know. Any subscriber requests? Let me know, guys. Can't promise I'll do them all, but I will pick and choose and see what I think my subscribers would like for me to do. So this is a piece of grilled cheese, guys. If you got anything out of this, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget those comments, guys. Don't forget the comments. Mmm. Heaven on earth. You don't need anything but the cheese and bread for an ultimate classic grilled cheese sandwich. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out and cooking with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'll see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.